Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another episode of CNETv. In CNETv program, they're talking about OKEx Talks, a beautiful program that comes your way every 8 p.m. West African time, Saturdays. So today we are talking about crypto trading and airdrops. So a lot of discussions around cryptocurrency trading and airdrops. A lot of people have been asking questions. If you've been asking questions about cryptocurrency trading, airdrops, a lot of people have been asking questions. How does airdrop work? How do I participate in different airdrops? So many questions you have here, so it's going to be answered. So we have an amazing guest for this interesting discussion. My name is Lee Jamal. I'm your anchor for this show today. So, OKEx is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So, let me first of all acknowledge and also welcome our host, who is Mr. Paul Lesa, Business Development Team Lead, OKEx Africa. So, I know he's not joining us today. So, also let me do well to welcome our guest, our amazing guest for today's show, in the person of Sifran Chibike, he's a crypto trader and co-founder of the Space Academy. Please welcome Sifran to the show.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. It's nice being with you guys here today.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Kenny. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for joining us. So, you can follow OKEx across social media handles. So, follow OKEx Africa on OKEx social media handles, Twitter and Telegram at OKEx Africa. So, follow them to know the latest about OKEx, what is happening in Africa. So, also, you can follow CNETv across all our social media handles at CNETv1. So, we'll go for a very quick break. When we return, we delve into the discussion proper. We'll be right back. Thank you.
Kaka. I'm the founder of In Crypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take, for example, the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
Yeah, welcome back to the show. It's still a beautiful program, OKEx Talks, brought to you by OKEx Africa. So today we are talking about cryptocurrency trading and airdrop. So, let me look at airdrop. There have been a lot of interest around airdrop. So, sometimes people ask questions, how do I get involved into the cryptocurrency space? I don't have money to start cryptocurrency and all the rest of them. So, which we know that airdrop is a very good opportunity to get involved in the ecosystem. So, what would you say, Sifrin? How would you describe airdrop and how can people participate in an airdrop? Let's start from that angle.
Okay, good evening once again. My name is FINTECH, just like the anchor has already explained everything. So I will go straight to the question, man. So I would say that airdrop in cryptocurrency is a marketing strategy which is always used by startups in the crypto space. Okay, they use airdrop to kind of do advertisement in order to bring what awareness to their project. Okay, so that is one of the main important things airdrop does. Okay, then some existing exchange also do airdrop. Maybe probably the company is no longer doing the way they're supposed to do, so they want to bring the attention of the community so that they can know that yes, they are still existing. So they will try to do airdrop to holders of their coin. You understand? So that they can also let them understand that yes, this project is still on, and attract other investors into the ecosystem.
So interesting, it's a very good way of getting, like I said earlier, getting involved into the ecosystem, because we've seen a lot of airdrops that have made people amass a lot of wealth and also a lot of money, even without spending a dime. Like you rightly say, that is a way of creating awareness about your project. So how can one start? We're talking about cryptocurrency trading and airdrop. So how can one start cryptocurrency trading? So what are some of a lot of people ask this question. Trading is kind of complicated, and we have leverage trading, we have sports trading. So how can one venture into cryptocurrency trading?
Okay, when it comes to trading, like I will explain, trading is just two things: buying and selling. Okay, people buy and sell. Okay, and that is how they make money in trading. But there is one thing very important in this, that is the knowledge. A lot of people want to trade, a lot of people want to make money in the crypto space, but they find it difficult to do what? To get the knowledge which is what required. And for you to trade in the cryptocurrency space, there are things that are needed for you to do what? To learn. One of them is what? Technical analysis. Technical analysis will help you to do what? To use the past price actions to do what? To determine what is going to happen in the present. And this is the knowledge that you need in order to do what? To trade the crypto market. You also need fundamental analysis, because it is very, very what? Important. I used to tell my students that these two things are very, very important. In as much as fundamental analysis tells you the reason why you should buy a cryptocurrency, either for short term or long term, it is also good for you to know what? To know when to buy. Because me and you can buy the same crypto coin. Okay, we can buy the same crypto coin, but you will see that one person out of us might lose. Why? It is timing. I might enter at the right time, you might enter on the at the wrong time. So that is the need of the knowledge in the crypto space. So for you to get into crypto trading, it is very, very important that you get the knowledge of what? Crypto currency, how to trade it, both fundamental and technical. And that is what we teach in the Space Academy. Thank you.
Yeah, interesting. It's a very complicated thing when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. So a lot of people tend to venture into cryptocurrency trading. Some of us are guilty of this when we started as well, but we may say that we may not have had people to put us through. A lot of people just venture into cryptocurrency trading without having proper knowledge. Like you rightly said, knowledge is very important when venturing into crypto space. So let's go back to airdrop. So how does it work? Airdrop, you haven't described cryptocurrency airdrop. How does it work? There are different ways different companies choose to go about it. So you could choose the ones you could describe on how it works.
Okay. Well, okay, when it comes to airdrop, just like I said earlier, airdrop in cryptocurrency is a kind of marketing strategy that is employed by startup or existing projects, which involve sending an amount of coin or token to wallet in order to promote awareness or a new crypto coin in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so it works this way in the sense that a fixed amount or a certain amount that has been decided by the community is being sent out to what to a particular wallet or distributed to their users, okay, for free or probably in return for a tax. Like those of us who are in the crypto space, especially those who are always on Twitter handles, we see a lot of cryptocurrency doing airdrop, just to grow their community and draw the attention of what investors. So they normally send some required amount of what token to maybe to those who were able to perform the tax which they give out, or probably their early investors or those who are holding a particular coin in their wallet. Okay, so one of the main reasons for airdrop is to create awareness and bring the interest of investors into the project, and also get more people trading, especially when airdrop involve, maybe let me say something like a trading exchange is coming out, and they want to use this opportunity to bring in people to come and trade in their exchange. So if they have a token, they can do airdrop in order to do what, to get people, or they can say first people to register in our exchange gets also amount of airdrop. So this will draw the interest of people and investors to come out and trade what in their exchange. So this is how most of the airdrops do what happen. So for you to get airdrop, there are some tasks that you need to do what that you need to do, although not all requires tax. Okay, not all requires tax, but I certainly believe that any airdrop that happens to be legit, there are something important that you need to do for that community in order for you to do what, to get the airdrop. Okay.
Okay, interesting. Are you still there?
Okay.
Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here. Yes.
Okay. I was thinking that there was network issues. So let's look at, in this discussion is about people, when you venture into cryptocurrency trading, when you venture into airdrop, it's mostly about making money. This time around, when you are doing cryptocurrency trading, is about making money. So what are some of the ways one can make money out of cryptocurrency trading? How does it work? We've been able to talk about getting the knowledge, being able to describe it. So how can one make money from cryptocurrency trading?
Okay. Just like you've already said, one of them is airdrop, like Uniswap. When Uniswap did their Uniswap is a DEX. So when they did their airdrop, this lady was opportune to do what? To get 100 tokens of what? Uniswap. And you know how the price skyrocketed, that she made a huge amount of money. So one about airdrop, let me say this is one of the first way to make money. So I'll just start with it. One thing about airdrop is you be at the right place in the right time. You get it now. You've been at the right place in the right time, because that is how you get opportune to do what? To get this airdrop. Okay. So another way to make money in the cryptocurrency market is also through what? DeFi, decentralized finance, which is now, many people don't know about it yet. Yes, many people don't know about decentralized finance yet, but it's one of the easiest way. Also very risky though, but it's one of the easiest way to get started in the crypto world space. I used to tell my students and most of my community this, that DeFi is very, very important, because will I say that it is the root of cryptocurrency, because most of the coins don't get listed in the centralized market, but with DeFi you can be able to get all these coins attached with what? Some fundamentals, which is also what? Necessary. So DeFi is decentralized finance, and I will explain it in a layman understanding so that everybody out there will know what DeFi is, so that it will not be sounding like something difficult in your ear. When I got to know about DeFi, I didn't put all these things into consideration. I didn't know how necessary it is until I began to study it. Okay, so DeFi is like your bank in your hand. This is how I used to say it. Your bank in your hand. Okay, is a bank built in blockchain. Now it provides you with a lot of opportunity. In DeFi, you earn through different ways. You can earn by staking. I will explain staking in a simple way. Staking is just like the way we go to bank to deposit what? Money. Okay? Now then, and wait for what? Interest in return. This is what DeFi is giving you with huge what? Percentage. Okay? You stake your coin in a pool. Staking your coin in a pool is you providing liquidity in that pool so that people can come and do what? Do transactions. So you earn by what? Staking. You also earn through what? Yield farming. Yield farming is a kind of providing liquidity for what? For a crypto pair, using two pairs to do what? To provide liquidity in a pool. And you earn by what? The transactions that what? The people who are interacting in the pool pays. The transaction they pay, that is how you do what? You earn. So it also comes with what? Some risks attached to it, because anything that has to do with crypto also have risks attached to it. So this is one of the ways to earn in cryptocurrency. Another way you can make money in cryptocurrency is through trading, which is what I love doing. I'm a technical analyst, and trading is beneficial, whether you want to be a long-term trader or a short-term trader. And I still say the same thing. For you to learn how to trade, you need to get the knowledge first. For you to trade the financial market, you need to get the knowledge first. You need to get the knowledge of technical analysis, the knowledge of fundamental analysis. It is very, very what? Important. Then you have to get what? Used to the trading apps which we use in trading, like Binance, OKEx, and every other thing there. So these are the few ways you can start your cryptocurrency what? Journey.
Yeah, interesting. Nice discussion. So in case you're just joining us, it's OKEx Talks brought to you by OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange. So we are talking about cryptocurrency trading and airdrops. So being able to look at cryptocurrency trading, being able to look at what airdrop is and how you can earn from this, and also how you can make money from cryptocurrency trading. So right about now, we'll go for a short break. When we return, we continue with the conversation. We'll be right back. Yes, welcome back to the show. So you know how we do it on the show for our audience. If you have questions, I know it is a very interesting topic. So if you have questions about cryptocurrency trading, there are things that are confusing you, we have a technical analyst here If you have questions about airdrop, so keep those questions, drop them, start dropping your questions. Very soon we'll go to that segment where we'll be picking questions from the audience and be asking our guests. So let's look at, we have different types of cryptocurrency trading. Different, what are some of the cryptocurrency trading? We know we have spot and all the rest. What are some of the cryptocurrency trading and how does it work?
Okay, we have futures trading, we have sports trading, we have margin trading. But when it comes to, there are a lot of ways people go about it. But I will tell you that the one I focus more about is sport and future trading. Yes, futures trading. Now, when it comes to sports, sport is just like just buying an asset or buying a crypto coin and allow it to stay in your wallet. Okay, why? And will I say that sport is more less compared to futures trading? Okay, when you go to futures, and you're not talking about what leverage trading. And when you want to when you hear that word leverage, you're trying to take a higher capital that is not what you actually have, that is not what you actually have in your wallet. Okay, like somebody who wants to trade, who have $500 in his trading account. Okay, and you want to leverage that's your capital. You can hedge over to future trading and use leverage to increase your capital. So you can use that your $500 to trade an asset, okay, maybe worth $5,000 or even $10,000, depending on your leverage. But you know that the more you increase your leverage, the more risks you expose yourself to in the market. Okay, so I always tell people that before you get into futures trading, make sure you've known how to trade on spot. Okay, make sure you've known how to trade on spot. People play a lot on spot because they feel like it is very easy and it is also not that risky, and they tend to take that mindset to to futures trading, and you will see them losing a lot of money. These are some of the experiences I had when I started trading cryptocurrency. I didn't take my sport very serious, and I noticed that mindset when I went to futures, and I had to do work on it. And I believe some people out there are facing this same issue. So it is always good that you get your sport grounded. Okay, get your sport grounded. Remember that the main reason for trading is for us to make money. So if you don't know how to make money on sport, it becomes very hard for you to to do it on futures. And on future trading, there's what we call hedging. You can actually hedge on futures, okay? But I don't advise that, because hedging can be very, very it doesn't work at all. It doesn't work at times. You might end up losing a lot of money. When you are trying to buy and sell at a particular pair at the same time, it is exposing you to a lot of risks. Unless those who know how to, who know their ways around it. Me, I don't hedge. I only trade clean futures and I trade spots. That is the two things I do in the crypto market. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I want to ask you this question just opportunity that a lot of people they come into crypto space and they start trading. I'm talking about people who are into forex trading. Is it that if I have a forex trading knowledge, I can easily trade cryptocurrencies? Is that possible?
Okay, yes, it's possible, because I am a witness to. Will I say I am one of them? I actually learned forex. Okay, I started with forex, but when I saw that crypto is more of investment to me. Okay, crypto is more of investment because it was actually the money I invested in crypto that saw me through school. Okay, so I left forex. Okay, and I used the knowledge I learned from forex trading. Then I brought it into crypto. But I had to do to polish that knowledge. I had to add something to it, because in the whole asset class or in the whole financial market, cryptocurrency is the most volatile. Then you now bring it down to stock. Cryptocurrency is volatile. a pair can move 50% today and drop the same 50% today. So you being able to control this volatility in the market is what you may not be able to get if you don't add that knowledge you need. So I always tell people that if you learn forex, you can trade crypto, but there are still things that you need to add up to your strategy so that you can be able to do what? To get what you want in the crypto market.
Yeah, interesting. Talking about volatility, yeah, we know that the crypto market is so volatile.
Yeah.
What is the easiest way to understand the volatility of the cryptocurrency market?
Okay, I will start by volatility is actually the measure of how price of an asset can change over time. You understand? The movement of price over time. Okay, so and it is considered that crypto is one of the most volatile asset class out there, and due to that volatility, it can serve as a potential return to investors or traders, and can also as well be a somewhat of risky, because you seeing an asset appreciate 50% and depreciate 50% on particular day. If you don't know the way to play it out, it becomes a problem. So when it comes to volatility, some people use Bitcoin volatility index to check how volatile the market is. And you know, when it comes to Bitcoin volatility, when the volatility reduces, decreases, okay, the transactions or the movement of the market tends to reduce. Okay, and one of the ways to control volatility in the market, or to be able to hold the volatility of cryptocurrency, is what? Through dollar cost averaging. That is DCA. It's one of the ways to control volatility for those who understand it very well. Okay, DCA will help you to do what? To control market volatility, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. DCA is dollar cost averaging. You being able to know when to enter in the market. You understand? So some investors use this DCA to make a lot of money. Yes, like now the market is depreciating. Let's say market is declining, market is coming down, and a lot of people are afraid to buy. If you check the Bitcoin fear index now, everybody is running away. Is that extreme fear? Nobody wants to buy because they feel like once they go in, the market will do what? Will dump on them. So they're afraid. But this is the actual time where investors who are wise actually does what? Accumulate those assets they need. They use DCA in the sense that they split their capital into different fragments that they keep on buying at each drop. At each drop they buy. At each drop they buy till market does what? Retraces back. And before you as a retail trader, before you now be able to enter, the market is far away from you, and you now start to do what? To run against a moving train. That is why people end up doing what? Losing money. You also use stable coins to do what? To come against volatility, because when you say that the market is volatile, it's just the best way for you is to move your asset into what? Into a stable coin. Stable coin will help you to do what? To hold against market volatility. So I do tell people that it is not always good for you to go in all in a crypto asset. Learn to keep some funds on what? On stable. Learn to keep some funds on stable coins like USDT, BUSD, USDC, and so many of them out there, so that you can be able to do what? To be able to cash up what? The volatility of the market. Because if you don't do that, you may end up what? Losing almost 50% of your capital in the market if care is not taken. So it is very, very what? Important. Thank you.
Okay. There is this saying, people use it to make some jokes in the crypto space. When you say buy the dip, and you buy the dip and it keeps going.
I get it.
That's why we also advise that you do your due diligence when it comes to cryptocurrency investment or trading. It's good that you do your due diligence. And that brings me to the next question. So we've been able to discuss this interesting topic so far that we've been doing. We know that education is the key to digital crypto and blockchain adoption, because people don't really understand the ecosystem. Even they don't even understand cryptocurrency trading. Most people just buy key. So when you're talking about due diligence, they don't even really understand. So what is the best way to get a proper education in the crypto space, or be it cryptocurrency trading? What are the proper ways people could get informed or get more knowledge about this ecosystem?
Okay, you know, one thing I've noticed in our economy now, or currently in our country, Nigeria, or will I say most especially everywhere, is that people don't actually do things the right way. Is only they only do that when they have had a bad experience. Okay, when they have the bad experience, nobody will tell me that. Like I used to say, we all know what to do. Okay, we all know what to do, but at times we would like to, play around, and finally we still get back to what is required. Now we have a lot of cryptocurrency academy out there, but the way the social media, or will I say the entire things have made it look like, is now very difficult for people to hand over money to somebody to teach them cryptocurrency. Okay, it now become difficult, and that is why most of the exchanges do now bring up an academy platform in their exchange, since people can actually, believe and trade in their exchange. So they also believe that they can also utilize that moment to learn how to trade this cryptocurrency. Okay, and I believe OKEx is one of them out there. So they do all this in order to do what? To bring the knowledge of this risk market to everybody who is partaking in it. Okay, then I also say that, like, now when you come to social media, especially Twitter, Discord, and Telegram channel, most people are just there to make money. Yes, most people are just there to make money. They just want to take signal and make money without getting to know the knowledge. And that is why when they lose money, they will begin to blame those signal providers. I used to tell my community that I am not a fan of signals. Like, I don't like giving signals. Even if I do it very well, because it makes you to have that slave mindset that you depend on this signal for you to do what? For you to grow. But the best way is you to get this knowledge in order to do what? To get what you want, to make your own trading decisions. So many people have this knowledge, but the problem is that only few can be able to do what? To transfer you to another person. I know the first person that taught me cryptocurrency. He knows how to trade, but being able to transfer that knowledge to another person becomes a problem. So these are some of the things we face in the crypto space. And I strongly suggest that most of these exchanges that we are training could actually do what? Hire traders or technical analysts to do what? To work with them, maybe to work in their academy, okay? And put them out there so that they can be able to do what? To educate people before getting into their trading exchange. Because you see people make millions of money. When they come into the cryptocurrency, they lose everything entirely. Why? Because they lack the foundational what? Knowledge that is required to get what they want in the crypto space.
Interesting. It has really been a very interesting discussion on the topic cryptocurrency trading and airdrops, which is very, very interesting. So you are the founder of this academy, and you're also a crypto trader. So how are you making impact in the ecosystem? What are your contributions?
Okay, I actually started my cryptocurrency journey 2 years back. And for that fact, it has been a really tough journey for me. And I have seen a lot of things people pass through in this space. Okay. Following the surge of crypto market last year, the interest of people grow wide, that everybody wants to know how to make money from this. People hearing that Bitcoin moved from so amount of dollars to so amount of money within a year. A lot of cryptocurrency people begin to do what? Go in to do what? Just to make money. And I see that they are actually doing this the wrong way. Okay. So I sat down and asked myself, how can I be what? Beneficial in this what? Space. Since I have this knowledge that a lot of people out there are looking for, how do I pass it on? How do I share people this knowledge with? That was where the idea of building a trading academy came up. And today we have the Space Academy. Is a platform that is created to educate what? The youth to get not even the youth alone, to educate everyone who is interested in learning how to do what, how to earn money in the what, in the crypto space, and not only to make money, know how the cryptocurrency works. It is very, very important you understand how it works. That is very important. So I go by telling them that this is what you need to start. Like a lot of them come to me and when they were like, please, I don't have knowledge of this, and I've been seeing your content in different social media. Please, how do I start? Because this is a stage I passed through, and I know the experience I had. I know the mistakes I made. So I will put them through by telling them this is what you need to start first. This is the things you need to learn first. Okay, then before you start doing what, doing the next thing. And many of them has agreed to that, and today they are seeing it working out for them. So I created this space academy with four of other team members who I am working with, both in the DeFi, in the trading part, and in spot and future trading aspect of it. So we educate people on how to do what, navigate this risky market, and also a good rewarding market in the long run. Okay, so that is how I've been able to do what, to educate almost 50 students within the space of 2 months.
Interesting to know amazing contribution you are making in the ecosystem, because we over here at CNETv, we believe that education is the key to proper cryptocurrency and blockchain adoption. And amazing to know that you are doing that. So just a brief question about the Space Academy. Is it to participate or to enroll for the academy? Do you charge fees or free of charge, in case for our audience who may be interested in enrolling?
Okay, actually, I charge for training. Yes, I do that because I noticed that it's not as if I can't teach those things free. Okay, I can, but you know, when you take out something from yourself to do something, when you know the pains or the struggle you pass through to make that money, you will have that seriousness to do what, to learn that thing to the core. Although some people end up not getting anything from it, because there is something people need to understand. It's not all about paying for class. Okay, it's all about you believing in what you are paying for, knowing that yes, this is what I need, and I actually want to do what, want to do it. So I charge for my classes. Okay, both my DeFi course, crypto trading, fundamental and technical analysis, spot and future trading, and more that are coming up into it. So I charge students for coming into my academy, because I believe that when they pay, they will sit down to learn before they do what, before they make the money.
Oh, interesting. It's not a problem charging. You know, sometimes, or even not most times, when people don't bring out money, yes, most times they don't take it that seriously in pursuing what they want. So when they bring us something, and so it's, I believe it's affordable. So we've been able to talk about cryptocurrency trading and airdrop, and we've been able to talk about this sweet aspect of it and everything, how to make money, how to get involved, and all the rest of them. So let's just do a look at, we know that every sector has its own risk associated to it. You know, at the course of this conversation, we talked about volatility. So what are some other risks associated with cryptocurrency trading and airdrop?
Okay, one of the risks there is this, and I will start with airdrop. You know, I normally tell people that whenever you want to partake in airdrop, I suggest you open a separate wallet for it, and let it be an offline wallet, like using your Trust wallet, SafePay wallet, or MetaMask. You open a separate wallet for it, so that in case they send, they are what we call phishing sites. Some of the scammers out there can actually clone the address of a particular project, okay, and begin to send, you know, free coins to people what wallet, or they will ask you to do what, to click this link. You know, all these referral link they do share. You understand? So you will click it, and you don't know that you have already given access to those people into your wallet. And before you know it, they can fish out everything you have there and transfer all the coins to their wallet. It is very, very simple. They are doing it. So the risk there is you not involving your trading wallet or your exchange wallet to your what, airdrop wallet. It is very, very important. And it is not every airdrop you see out there that you should go into. First of all, I said something before I said, I say, for you to get an airdrop, you need to be at the right place and at the right time, okay? You need to know the airdrop you are doing. You need to understand that airdrop very well. You need to understand if this airdrop is actually going to work or not. Although some of them end up not working. You may not know all these things, but with the knowledge of fundamental analysis, you can be able to derive one or two things that is very, very crucial about the airdrop so that you can be able to do what? To partake in it. Okay? So when it comes to cryptocurrency trading entirely, some of the risks we'll get there is exchange hack. Just like the one that happened a few years back, empty gauze, how billions of dollars were stolen from the exchanges. So, and if you notice now, most of the exchanges do well to employ good security experts in the cyber security. They do due diligence to get the best security expert to work in their exchanges so that they can protect the investors and traders fund in their exchange. Okay, so exchange hack can be one of the risks we have in the cryptocurrency trading. Then another thing is volatility is also part of the risks, because if you don't know how to curtail this volatility, just like I mentioned, using DCA and stable coins, you may quickly get lost in the space, maybe losing the whole of your trading capital if care is not taken. Okay, another thing there is that you can also a loss of password and in your trading wallet. This can be a mistake that you might displace. You don't know how to go about it, and you end up losing some fund probably in your offline wallet or your centralized wallet. Okay, then there is one thing there too that I think can be a risk. Like, I remember a story one of our mentors told us, a young man that left his family, and they later find out that this guy have a huge amount of coin in his Binance. And because Binance doesn't have anything that has to do with third party, okay, so they don't have a nest of kin. Sorry, they don't have nest of kin that when a member or a trader or an investor didn't come into your exchange for a time period, you should try to do to look out to know what actually happened. So this guy left some Bitcoin in his wallet that would have been beneficial to the family. And today, I don't know whether that problem has been sorted out. So I think some exchanges should adopt this method of introducing nest of kin in their trading exchanges, so that members who lose their members who lost their life on the process and have some good amount of money in their trading wallet can actually transfer the fund to their nest of kin in case of life uncertainties. Okay, so these are the few risks that is involved. Then another thing there is that whenever you are trading the crypto market, it is always important that you know that this market does not belong to you. Neither does it belong to any of your family member. Okay, so it's always good that you know the risks inherent in there, so that in case of unexpected happening. Okay, then finally, we know that cryptocurrency is not regulated. Okay, and that is the reason some people stay away from it. So this regulation is also, is a kind of risk out there, because a lot of people think that since this market is not regulated, what is the need of me being in it, or something like that. So this unregulated market also seems to be a risk to a lot of people. That's why some people decided to do to trade forex, or to trade stock.
Okay, thank you very much, Stephen. You made mention during when we were talking about some of the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading. You made mention using creating a new crypto wallet, when you want to go for airdrop. That made me to remember an incident which happened, I think, early this week. Where on Discord group, someone sent a link that we should go and claim some airdrop was the NFT or so. So most of the people that interacted with that platform, all the cryptos they have in their wallet that they use to interact with the platform got stolen. So this is one of the reasons why you should have as many wallets as possible. Creating of cryptocurrency wallets are free of charge, so you should have
exactly.
So that in case of all these risks associated with cryptocurrency ecosystem, but it's a very beautiful ecosystem which we really like. Right about now, if you have questions, our audience, if you have questions, please do well to drop them on the comment section. I'll be picking some questions from our audience, so that our guests will be able to answer them. So we'll go for a short break so that I will have a little time to get some of the questions from the audience. We'll be right back. When we return, we'll have questions from the audience.
CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency, and fintech TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews, and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store or on our website at cnetv.io.
Kaka. I'm the founder of In Crypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take, for example, the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
Welcome back to the show. It's still OKEx Talks, brought to you by OKEx Africa. So today we're talking about cryptocurrency trading and airdrops, and we have our amazing guests who have been able to dissect all the questions from me. So right about now, he's going to be dissecting some questions from our audience. So if you still have questions, please drop them on the comment section. So right about now, I'll be picking questions. I've been able to get some of them here from our audience. So this one from Drew Chuku is, how do I join the Discord airdrop? This person is asking how you can join Discord airdrop. Are there some Discord airdrop you can suggest?
Okay, how he can join Discord airdrop. Okay, I find out that a lot of people don't know how to use Discord because the chatting app seems to be more complicated compared to any other social media out there. So one thing is just download your Discord, get verified. Just most of the Discord uses bots to interact. Okay, so you need to get verified and follow the channel, open each servers and know the one you're allowed to do what to interact with, then listen to what the admins are doing there and just follow suit. There is nothing much there for you to do. It's just very simple if you understand your way out. So that is it. There's nothing more difficult in our Discord airdrop, just for you to get involved. And not all Discord are good to enter. You need to know the reason you are entering it. That is how to live an intentional life. You need to know the reason for you to go into the Discord, not just to go there to occupy space. I see some people having almost 150 Discord groups, and in any of them, you're not even providing any value to them. How do you now partake in the airdrop? So you need to be beneficial to them so that you can actually get something in return from them. It's very simple.
Okay, this one from Taryn John. He said, Chibike, you are killing it because airdrop benefit Africans or only Europeans. I know, airdrop doesn't select region. Do you have anything to add to that?
Airdrop benefits everybody. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, okay, well, I say Bitcoin trading, Nigeria is the highest in the whole world, but people don't know this. Okay, so I believe targets most of these what is it called? Most of these cryptocurrency projects target Africa a lot because they know the level of our economy, and they know that cryptocurrency can help our economy to do what? To boom. So they target our economy, Africans mostly, so that they can be able to do what? To partake in whatever they are doing. So airdrop is for everybody. I've never seen airdrop that is marginalized, probably because you're not from Europe or any other country that you're not partaking in the airdrop. No, airdrop is for everybody. Once you meet up with the requirement, you are certainly going to get the airdrop from that project.
Okay, interesting question from Goodluck Poplar. How can one learn this 5 things? So this person is asking how you can learn what airdrop is. Hello, can you hear me? Is friend? Hello, maybe it's like he's having some network issues. It's like I've lost friend there. I believe. I hope he joins back. Little network issues there. So we almost concluded the show today. So how can one then this airdrop? Please, I need an answer. So question from Goodluck. Therefore, if you can go back to the video, he has been able to explain some things about DeFi which you can stake and all the rest of them. So if you are looking for more questions, I believe you can check him out on the social media handles and connect with him. If you can join back, maybe he can drop his social media handles. So if you have further questions, you can ask him. Also, if you have more questions, you can drop at the OKEx African channel. Check them out. Check OKEx on Twitter and Telegram. At OKEx Africa, that's OKEx and Africa. So OKEx Africa, so you'll be able to connect with OKEx and drop more questions you have about cryptocurrency trading, DeFi, and the rest of them. So talking about that, OKEx is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. So you can do it to check them out as well. I believe this stuff we can go for the show. I would have loved to get a closing remark from Cifren Chibike, but maybe network couldn't allow that. So you can do well to follow CNETv across all our social media handles. So CNETv is the first and leading 247 live broadcasting TV for blockchain, cryptocurrency, and fintech ecosystem. So anything you need about cryptocurrency news updates, what is happening in the ecosystem, do well to join us. We also have our website, coinbusinessstrat.com. Latest daily updates happening in the industry. So this is how far we can go. This show comes to you every Saturday evening. That's 8 p.m. West African time. Do well to join us again. We'll be coming back again next week with another interesting topic and also another amazing guest. So thank you very much. I also appreciate our host, Mr. Paul Africa, business development team lead, OKEx Africa, and the entire OKEx African team. Thank you very much for becoming aware. Our audience who took our time joining us, learning more, and also asking questions. We really appreciate you. So we'll be coming your way again this same time next week. Bye for now. I remain your uncle. Thank you.
Kaka. I'm the founder of InCrypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. there were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take for example the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency, and FinTech TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews, and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store or on our website at cnetv.io. CNETv.